So, hi dear friends, wish you all very good day. So, I'm starting today here from Illustrator. You see how is a fantastic logo design which have created by me, and it is very nice, very nice. Just try, and you just stay with me, and you can easily do it. You can do it so much better than me. So it is just a time, just to give me time and stay with me and try like me. It is very easy and effective. So I should just clear the object or open the new tab. So don't go far from here. This time is a great time to learn something from me. So dear friends, start from a new tab. So first of all, I need to ellipse tool. Click here and keep here the ellipse tool, which I need here. Just keep here. Right. Very nice. Very nice. You see? And I go back the rounded rectangle tool. I need this one also. So I think it needs small. Yes, exactly. So put it middle, and I need also this one. So go here. So let us try harder a little bit. Yes. So I need a center. Yes, right. So dear friends, on this time I need to copy this one. It need it needs a letter. So what should I do? I need now just press the rotate tool. Rotate tool is the middle. So right here, just press Alt and put it here. You see how does it come? Now cut out all the things. Clear 360. I need, and I at the same time 16. Copy. So what the edit is right here. I need to copy all the things. Press the back with the option here. Click clear 360. 360. Not this one. Yes. Copy. Yes. It's good. Just you see how nicely doing this. So I need to select this one because this one just no set I need this one clear. So what should I do? I need to cut these unnecessary things. So delete, yeah, right here. So back, put it middle. Need to just what I is not set it automatically, so I needed to set it middle. It is very simple. So guys, it is very simple. You can try just for one time. You get it. This effective and very nice and very cute logo design. Those who are for the use it with trouble page or another something on a page. So what should I do? I need now select direct select tool. So what is it? I just cut. Yes, nice, very nice. So right here, just added to color it. Which color I like? Try which color. I need this one. No, this one. Yes, exactly. Just very nice color. So well, stop here. It's very nice color. So here's one I need to label all the things. I need a big this one. I need to bigger it. So what should I need to put it here. Yes, very nice. What's it? I select this one. Then what? Pathfinder. You say unite. Yes. Oh, exactly. What should I do? Exactly. I wanted this one. So I need to copy this one. Shift. Then press which little bit, little bit, little bit down. Yes. What should I do? I need no copy all the things like that. So guys, again back for the circle again by pressing B. Yes, you see, or it's coming here. So I need to put all the round here so that it may looks nice. So what should I need to put it middle? Yeah, I need to middle it. Otherwise it makes something wrong. So what should I do? I do it just select by pressing Alt and like that. Yes, not a big area. It's too much big. Too much big. Then yes, yes, just nice. I think it's okay. So what should I do? I just select all the objects and then I use for cutting. So what should I do? I need right here click and press shift key like that. I select all the things. It will be more better for you. So guys, it needs select. So I have already select all the things. What should I do? I oh, no, it is not select all the things. So back I need to again delete there, big here, big here, delete there. It should be maybe not there. So I think it's more better. Yeah, it's more brighter. Nice, nice. well, okay, it will be more better. So yes, okay, so it is nice. Yes, so I should now but select all the things, select like that, select like that, yes, select and select all the things like that. Yes, guys, now you can cut here. You see how should I cut it? Press by pressing order, then like that. You see how is easy to do. Yes, you see guys, how is easily doing. Very fantastic, very fantastic. So it is done by me. Just a little bit, not here. This okay. Did not select it. Oh, not select. Okay, so it's very nice. So guys, it is just if you do it professionally, so you need to clear the things. So the time is very short, so I'm gonna try to cut and clear. So I needed to do it first, but a few times. So I'm not gonna do. Whenever you're gonna to professionally doing it, you should scaling all the things, and it will be more better. Just I'm trying very fast. So what should I do? I had to cut it and delete it. Yes, very nice. So what should I do? I just now color. Oh my god, it's very nice. You see the color. Oh, it's very fantastic color. So what should I back to the circle by pressing all the things? Yes, now should be bigger for pressing here. Yes, it should be bigger, bigger, bigger. Yeah, I need to bigger it. Yeah, like that. So try it for some more. Yes, a little bit. Yeah, it's very nice, very nice. So just find it here, just a little bit, a percent. No, no, a percent. Yes, it's more better. Yes, very nice. So what should I do? I need now just select. That means direct select. You see, direct selection. Here, just this one, and the delete. It's very nice. So it is looking very nice and very short time. So what should I do? I need now here put the any uniform. This one I like it. So what should I do? I need to color. What should it? First add it color. Which color I need? This one. Now I need to this one, then that one. Yes, that one or this one. Okay, it doesn't matter. It will be more better than I need it first to bigger it. Then I can is clear. So this fine. Okay, that's fine. So back to the color which I like. You see which I like. This one, yes, this one is so fantastic. Whatever it is, this color is doesn't matter. But what you just need or what you like, just you see, just which one you like. I like this one or that one. Nice, no problem with the combination. Okay, so what should I need now? I just wrote up this one. How should I do? I need this one. Just click, then press Alt, then Enter. You see? Very nice, very nice. Directly this one. So what should now I need something aeroplane and a 1 3 which I already collected from the prefix, so I need this one. Okay, so just copy here and paste here. You see guys, yes, very nice. You see, because I need to edit, I should a little bit smaller, it will be more better to see. Okay, so I need to edit just like that, yes, not this, too much, too much, too much, yes, yes, I need a little bit small, like that, yes, now I should have put here, as in here, with this balance, like that, like that, yes, very nice, so I should have changed the color, which I like, this one, that one, this one, that one, no, this one, yes, you can put it here. Any color you can choose. Color is doesn't matter, it's just you can choose, no matter. So, what's today? I need it now, another tree. I will put it here, the tree. You can see how I put the tree, which one, this one? Yes, this one, I have selected this one, then put here, back, oh my god, it's very nice, tree, yes, very good, just you can put it here or you can put it here, you choice, which do you like, I like put it here, you see how it's very nice and effective our logo design. So if you need such kind of logo design and effective and a fantastic logo, so you just follow my video and try with few minutes. It needs just few minutes to complete. Very nice. Thank you to watch my video and follow me, subscribe me. You can get a new video which are coming next. Thank you very much.